Welcome back to our channel, guys. Jack here at c247.com. Today I've got another unboxing video for you, as well as our first impressions of the OnePlus Nord. Just before we do go any further, however, I'd just like to ask if you could like and subscribe. It goes a really long way and you'll be the first to know of any new videos we release. So we have the OnePlus Nord here. We're going to take a look inside the box and see what it comes with, and then we'll take a look into the specifications and what we like about it. So of course, we'll take off the sleeve first. Here we are. And then we're greeted with this way Nord, the phone itself. Take out this insert. Of course, we'll take a look at that in a minute. We have a USB-C charging cable, as well as OnePlus 3-pin fast charging plug. There we are. Inside this little insert, we have a welcome letter, and more importantly, comes with a silicone case right out of the box. How smart is that? And inside our little insert here, it comes with a pin allowing you to take out your SIM card, a number of stickers, and of course the general information and a quick start guide about your phone. All right, let's take a look a little closer at what the OnePlus Nord has to offer. So I've had a little bit of time to take a look around the OnePlus Nord, and on first impressions, I'm really impressed. The colour here is blue marble. I must say it's very vibrant and bold, but it does look fantastic. Delving inside of the phone, the first thing we'll come across would be the fingerprint sensor, and it is in fact an in-screen fingerprint sensor, and it works flawlessly. You couldn't tell the difference between it being in the screen or not on the screen. It works just as well. The second thing you'd see would possibly be the 90Hz AMOLED display. It looks absolutely fantastic. Now I myself, I'm an Apple user. I have an iPhone XR here, and this outruns it every single day. It's absolutely fantastic. So I've got the OnePlus Nord in front of me here. I must say, we do really like it. On first impressions, we've got a few things we'd like to tell you. First off would be this blue marble colour is fantastic. It's vibrant and it's bold, and we think it looks absolutely great. You will see on the back, it does come with quad cameras. What that does is we have a 8 megapixel wide angle lens, we have a 48 megapixel Sony camera taken from the OnePlus 8, a 5 megapixel depth lens, and a 2 megapixel macro lens. Now, one of the smartest features about this is it does come with something called nightscapes, and what that allows you to do is take a photo of the dark, and it will in fact take 7 photos, and it will adjust the exposures so you can choose which one looks best in a dark environment, helping to bring out the most light. It does come with a dual selfie camera as well. One of those is a 32 megapixel camera, and the other is an 8 megapixel wide angle lens, which makes it perfect for taking those group socially distanced selfies. Of course, being in the modern era, this phone does come with 5G capabilities. Throw in a 5G SIM and you'll be good to go. Just make sure you're in a 5G area first. One of our most favourite capabilities of this phone is its ability to warp charge. What that means is you can get a full day's worth of battery life in just 30 minutes, and that will take you from 0 to 70%. It's good, isn't it? That's like really good, isn't it? OnePlus say the phone will work on day 1, as you'd hope, and it will also work on day 1000. What they mean by this is the phone comes with 2 years of software updates and 3 years of security updates, so you never have to worry about your phone falling behind. Just before we sign off, I'd just like to ask if you'd like to know anything else about the OnePlus phone, or would like a more in-depth review, please let us know in the comments below. We'll be more than happy to use the phone for a couple of weeks or a week or two and find out what you can really get out of it. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. We've got more OnePlus related videos for the N10 and N100 coming soon. Thank you.